Hello travel lovers, welcome back to Remarkable Places to Visit. Today we take a journey through Italy's rich culinary heritage. Let's start our culinary journey in Rome. First item is carbonara, a classic Roman pasta dish made with eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. Our next item is Italy's famous gelato, a creamy Italian ice cream, with popular flavors like pistachio, stracciatella, and hazelnut.
Let's head to Naples, famous for its pizza margherita, the iconic Neapolitan pizza topped with tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Next we have the delicious spaghetti al vongole, spaghetti with clams, garlic, white wine, and parsley. Perfect for a delightful Italian family dinner. Our next stop is Florence, well known for its bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick, juicy T-bone steak, traditionally sourced from Chianina cattle and grilled to perfection. Our final treat from Florence is cantucci, a crunchy almond cookies typically dipped in vin santo, a sweet dessert wine or paired great with a shot of espresso to start your day. Next on our culinary list in Italy is Bologna. Known for its rich tagliatelle al ragu, often referred to as Bolognese, this pasta dish features a rich meat sauce with tomatoes, onions, and carrots. Up next is the traditional tortellini in brodo, small, ring-shaped pasta filled with a mix of meat or cheese, served in a savory broth. Our last tasty menu item in Bologna is mortadella, a type of Italian sausage made from finely ground, cured pork, often enjoyed thinly sliced. Heading over to Venice. Famous for its risotto al nero di seppia, creamy risotto made with squid ink, giving it a distinctive black color and rich flavor. Another delicate treat from Venice is the world-famous tiramisu, a popular Italian dessert made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, and cocoa powder. Heading to the south of Italy we visit Sicily, known for its arancini, deep-fried rice balls filled with ragu, mozzarella, and peas, often enjoyed as a street food. Our next Sicilian treat is none other than the cannoli, a crispy pastry tube filled with sweet ricotta cheese, sometimes flavored with chocolate chips or candied fruit. Our last dish in Sicily is pasta alla norma, a traditional Sicilian pasta dish made with eggplant, tomatoes, basil, and ricotta salata cheese. Our last stop on this culinary journey is Milan, home of the risotto alla Milanese. A creamy risotto flavored with saffron, giving it a distinct yellow color and aromatic taste. Milan is the luscious ossobuco, braised veal shanks cooked with white wine and broth, often served with gremolata, a mixture of lemon zest, garlic, and parsley. And last but not least, our final item on this fantastic journey through Italy is panettone, a sweet, dome-shaped bread studded with candied fruits and raisins, traditionally enjoyed during the Christmas season. Thank you so much for joining me on this epic journey through Italy's world-star cuisine. If you liked this video, please subscribe and check out the next video in line for more of remarkable places to visit.